Hello, welcome to my new art journal. I hope you will learn some very interesting things today. I spent a large part of this tutorial creating backgrounds. This time I managed to record the sounds caused by brush movements or the other painting tools. This film entertained me very much. First, of course, I used gesso and then I used yellow and orange to make a first layers. After that, I used stencil. That's why I spent a lot of time on it, and I hope that you will watch the film closely because it's very important to make a super structure and super texture on the beginning. And I add subtle color to this background which I'm making now. Some orange, some brown, some white. I love this part of the job and especially extend until I decide that the number of layers in the background is sufficient. I recommend to use of a cosmetic sponge because it works very well through stencil. Stencil just not floated. And it's a really practical tool. Now I will move to the next stage, and I prepared myself the old book. Just now a little bit blue to my background. It will be finished. From this old book I will cut flowers. I didn't know that the book is so old that it will be then problem with glue and with painting it. But till now I just cut flowers. Now I cut some circles and they will be background for these flowers. I hope that you treat everything you see to be creative and that you will not follow it one to one, but you will use your own imagination and you will use the shapes you really like. If anybody would like to know how to do it, you can write me on my email address which subject you would like to see in my films, and you can be a part of our live courses. Our website and social media you can find in the description of this film. My flowers are ready and there is time to use them in our art journal. Remember that composition is important. It can be an open composition, it can be closed composition, it can be gold, but you have to check before you will paste them, how it will looks like. And you have to take decision. This is such joyful phase when we already have the background with all the elements and we can enjoy such a free artistic narrative. So you can use fine liner, you can draw with Creo, you can use aquarella, whatever you want and what you have. And now this is what I'm doing with my intuition. I don't have plan. I just use my free hand and I'm drawing what I really like. So it's a little bit like Zentangle. You just enjoy it. So now some leaves, some just lines, and enjoying the drawing. Our brain likes such kind of job when we don't have to think about it, but we just doing our job. And now, because I don't like such edges, I will cover them with red ink so they stand out against the background. Well, this is a bit of work for the patient because there are many flowers. Repairing similar action over a long period of the time, it's a bit like meditation. The brain comes to the rest when it enters the alpha beta state, and it's simply and very pleasant. This is a very pleasant way to rest when the hands are working and the head doesn't have to think. Also, at this stage, I have all work glued, all my flowers, and there comes a moment of reflection. After finishing this part, you can take a cup of coffee or tea and wait and look at the work again. All my art journals projects are like sketches for my pictures which I will paint in the future. Some of them I will directly put in my paintings. I hope you will enjoy today's project and you are welcome for our next one. So see you soon. The best day for you, sunshine and all the best. Agnieszka Opal.